Hey everyone, Dalton here with Byrider Madison. Just want to make a quick video for you. Obviously winter is right around the corner here coming up. Obviously getting vehicles ready for winter is a big thing. Some important winter precautions coming. Obviously making sure tires are have enough tread. Maybe need a rotation, whatnot, making sure fluids, belts, all that stuff are ready for when winter does come. Kind of just making sure you're set for winter, because obviously in Wisconsin winter is crazy here. If you need some service done and whatnot, definitely make an appointment here at our service center. We definitely want to get you prepared and prepped for anything to come winter. Also making sure you got extra clothes, spare tire, jack, everything in the car for winter is very important. Like I said, if you are maybe a little bit lacking or whatnot, need some work done, definitely call service, make an appointment, get ready for winter, because it is coming. It's going to be here very soon.